Hi everyone, Don Giannatti. I'm going to talk a little bit about the portfolio class. It's designed for photographers who have a portfolio or are building a portfolio to try to get new clients or to build their client base up a little bit. We dissect your current portfolio, we take it apart, we look for holes, or if you decide you want to do a new tab, you want to do a new area on your portfolio, we focus on that. It's quite intense. We meet 4 times live. We do some research, we do some design, we do some planning, and then we give you 5 weeks to go out and shoot what you've planned for that portfolio. It's very, very important to have a good portfolio because that body of work is what tells art directors and editors and creative directors that you're able to bring that vision to what they need you to do. It's a warm and fuzzy thing. It's a credibility thing. But most of all, it represents your visual literacy. And this is really important. That's why we don't take it lightly, and that's why we spend a good deal on preparation for shooting. Now, this is not a class for fashion shooters. It's not. We're not going to really take fashion shooters into it. This is a class for commercial and some editorial type work. So if you're a food shooter, you're a tabletop shooter, you're an architecture shooter, you're an editorial shooter, all of those things, this may be perfect for you. If you've already got a really going business, this is probably not the portfolio class for you. This is for people who are emerging, who are working hard to get to that level where they can be working 4 or 5 days a week. So I hope you consider taking the class. It's really exciting. We've had some great success in this class, some really good portfolio work come out of it. There's a few links here on the page. Hope you take advantage of them. If you have any questions, there's a form at the below. So click on it, fill it in, send it to me, and I'll get back to you right away. Thanks, everybody. I appreciate you watching.